video, ah.
Humangit John Xavier G. with honors. He will receive the following awards: Gold Medal from Holy Infant Academy and Athletics Award. He is also a recipient of Bronze Medal and Certificate from Cambaylan Elementary School. Whom I love, Prince Michael N. with honors. He will receive the following awards: Gold Medal from LGU Katibian and Holy Infant Academy, Bronze Medal and Certificate from Cambaylan Elementary School. Lumantas Glory Jen C. with honors.
Sakadan.
She will receive the following award:
Dagan ba? Dagan.
Gold Medal, Governor's Academic Excellence Award, Congressman Chato Academic Excellence Award, LGU Katibian and Holy Infant Academy. She is also a recipient of the following awards and certificates: Bronze Medal and Certificate from Cambaylan Elementary School, Governor's Certificate of Academic Excellence, and Congressman Edgar M. Chato Certificate of Academic Excellence. Special awardees: Bahas Ronald Jr. R. Athletics Award, Baro Marjo C. Leadership Award, Kakad Aisa May Kanjak Award and Religion Award, Llorente Francis J. Athletics Award,
Awak ko na? Ano ka mo picture na? Yan iba na? Yan ba na?
Narbay Gian B. Kanjak Award, Pacado Mijayan S. Kanjak Award, Pakot Jillian B. Kanjak Award, Grangia Gals Frances L. Athletics Award, Villanueva John Sebastian B. Athletics Award, so those are the honor graduates, and congratulations. Kindergarten performers: Agad Kaiser Tadeos. He will receive the following awards: Star Reader Award, Sunshine Kid, and